Hi! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly get started with Zuppio. There are two ways to use Zuppio, via the web version or by installing a package in Salesforce. If you choose the web version, simply go to the Zuppio website and sign in. If you need a package, follow the link in the documentation and install it in your organization. After installation, open the Zuppio Organizations tab and authorize your organization. Click Authorization, select the organization type, and enter your credentials. If you don't have a login, you can request access from the client. First, they need to go to the Zuppio Settings tab and enable this feature. Then go back to Zuppio Organizations and see the Request Access button appear. And now, a window has appeared for entering the organization name, recipient name, and email. Add a comment and send the request. The client will receive an email with a link to grant access. Now, let's create our first task. Open the Zuppio Jobs tab and click New. Give the task a name, select the source org, and the package you will work with. You can add steps and target organizations right away, or do it later. The user does not have to specify the source and package. But if he does not specify, then some of the functionality will not be available. Let's add a target org and configure the steps. Zuppio supports different types of steps: executing Apex code, execute anonymous, deploying page layouts, updating profiles, migrating pick list values, and more. At the end, you need to wait for the test script to run, for example this one. Now, select the steps, target, and run the task. You can first validate the changes with validation or apply them immediately with execute. Note that validation is not available for execute anonymous. Done! Now you know how to install and configure Zuppio. Subscribe so you don't miss new videos.